My Lord, I've been informed by the process server that the intended witness to appear today in court, they couldn't be found. And the affidavit is on court record, I believe. The same position has been discussed with our client, Mr. Okello or New Christopher. My Lord, in the circumstances, since the remaining witnesses can't be found, we close the defense case. I pray.
Okay, I have read the affidavit of service sworn by Mr. Antonio Evelyn in respect of the efforts made to trace the two remaining witnesses. Today, the 27th of April, 2026, to the effect that efforts to reach the two remaining witnesses as proposed by the accused persons on their telephone numbers have been in vain or have been futile because the telephone numbers are unavailable since the first time they were expected to be reached out to. And as I already indicated earlier, the accused person only provided telephone numbers and no physical address. In light of that, the defense has closed the case for the accused and is accordingly closed. We shall proceed with other. Yeah, we shall proceed with the submissions now. Counsel for the accused person, are you ready to make
As it's true, we attended the court throughout from the first witness. It is today that we have gotten the proceedings of court. So we are unable to proceed. And right now it's 11. We would ask for 3 hours to do this. We summarize and we come and make our submissions. I pray so, my Lord.
Submissions at that time, you should be able to make a reply there and then. I can give you maybe about 20 or so minutes to organize itself after their submissions.
My Lord, we shall be in position to make a reply instantly. And we also want to propose that to maximally use court's time, we shall share our secretarial submissions in anticipation of theirs and authorities ahead of time, so that the defense can be in position to predict our line of argument and also prepare for a rejoinder, and rather bear in our mind our submissions as they also envisage the rejoinder, my Lord.
Thank you so much. Okello, your case has been closed, and your lawyers have requested for some time. They have requested for 3 hours to prepare their submissions. They are summing up their case for the court, and so I have given them that time up to 2:15, when we shall come here and we listen to the submission. So this matter is stood over to 2:15 p.m. Let her interpret that.
Okuhuririza oludda lw'omwawabirwa kugaddwawo, obujulizi bwabwe bugaddwawo, era puliida w'omwawabirwa asabe essaawa 3 asobole okuteekateeka empumbawumba y'omusango guno, era okusaba kwe kukkiriziddwa. Kkooti ejja kudda ku ssaawa 8:15 tuwulirize okuwumbawumba kw'oludda olwawabirwa.